this video, I will analyze the recession of 1982, the worst recession since World War II. This video considers the recession to span from 1979 to 1982. What happens to real GDP during a recession? Here, I have created a graph using Fred Data Series GDP C95. The shaded bars represent recessions as stated by the National Bureau of Economic Research. You will observe that real GDP falls in each recession. The 1982 recession was no exception. From January 1st, 1979 until December 1st, 1982, GDP fell 6.4%. Clearly, GDP falls during a recession. GDP is made with labor resources. What happens to the unemployment rate during a recession? The data shows that during this time, the unemployment rate rose from 5.4% to 9.7%. You can see that the unemployment rate rises during a recession. What happened to housing during this recession? The data shows that housing starts fell off the deep end during this recession. What type of worker was hurt by this decline in investment? Well, men usually work in the construction industry. As less homes were built, men were laid off not just from construction but all the trades, including factories and in mining. During this time of high unemployment, labor force participation for women more than offset the decline in men and teenagers' participation rate. Many reasons are given for this, including labor-saving devices such as the microwave oven. In the textbook, Modern Macroeconomics, the authors explain that the pill might have contributed to the increase in women's participation rate in the labor force during this time. Working with data allows researchers a look at the changing demographics of a recession. Certainly, there are more variables involved in the recession than what I have covered here, but the data I have used does confirm economic theory, which predicts a decrease in GDP, a decrease in employment, and an increase in the unemployment rate.